This at the rate I Old Monk, and today I am with the Chiku. So the company just entered in India with its latest smartphone, which is Q Terra. As the name here comes, it comes with the sub name with the game changer Chiku here. It will be sold on 360 Gadgets 360. You can find that in your app. And what it comes, as you can see at the back, I am going to show it has a 6-inch display with full HD. It has a memory of 3 GB and storage of 16 GB. Camera of dual 13 megapixel camera, so you are getting a dual 13 megapixel camera at the rear and 8 megapixel camera in the front. It has a battery of 3700 milliampere. So this is I will show you what comes inside the box. This is the phone. It looks like a book here, and I will take out the phone. So this is the phone here, and other than that, in the box you are getting the charging cable. The charging cable is little different. When you are charging, you are getting a button. This will put a light so that you can see it easily how to connect it. This is inside the box. There is a SIM card ejector here. Other than that, you will get a case, a screen guard, user guide and warranty card. So these are the things which will be coming inside the box. This is the warranty card, as you can see that, and here is the charger. So this is the charger of the device, and overall this all comes in the box, and the device looks pretty good. It is little bit bulky. The bezels are very less. This is the 6-inch full HD display. Other than that, it has a metallic body. It is a unibody display. There are 13 megapixel dual camera with dual tone LED flash. It comes with a fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor takes only 5 seconds to open. Here is the power button. This is the volume rocker key. On the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack, and in the bottom there are speakers. This is a micro USB charging slot. This is the mic, and this is the expandable memory, which can also use as a dual SIM or expandable. So this is a hybrid one. So as we go inside, it comes with its own 360 UI. So let me go inside of the device and show you more about device. So as you can see, the 360 is the OS of the system. It is coming with Snapdragon 808, which is a hexa-core. It has a 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal storage, full HD display, running on Android 5.1 Lollipop, and so there is no SIM inside it. So this is their storage and everything I have shown you. Let me go through the gallery and show you the camera samples of the device. So this is taken by the back camera. The camera quality in the low light is really good. As you can see, light is very poor here, but the output of the picture are coming good. This is the front camera taking with the 8 megapixel. It really stands out a good thing in the low light. I am hopefully to do the review when the device comes to our place. And other than that, the device comes with a few features like freezing the air and other things, and the device will be going for sale for 19,999 only if you have the invite, and without invite it will go on sale on 21,999, and this will go on sale only on 360. As you can see at the back, powered by 360. So 360 and gadgets 360, it will be available. This is all about Chiku Q Terra. This is at the rate I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to us.